Hey there, welcome back to part 2 of this video series on how to customize Stadium Mirage. Let's go ahead and work on our team photo. Okay, now I'm going to come up to File, Open, and I'm going to use the same template for this. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn everything off except for my simple background. So I'm going to press Alt and click the little eyeball, and it turns everything off except for my simple background. I'm going to click File, Open. And I'm going to come over to my team photo, click Open, duplicate layer, find the correct template, click OK, and I'm going to come over to, okay, now I'm going to select my Move tool, and I'm going to make this photo fit in here. Press Enter. And I'm going to turn it off for now. And I'm also going to open up my mascot. And I'm going to copy that over. Duplicate layer. Mirage, memory mate. And come over here. Now for this, you can either lower the opacity or you can change it to a different blending mode. So you can just arrow through these and see if there are any that you like better than others. And you can also resize so that it fits your background. So I'm going to turn back on my players, and I need to bring my players in front. Okay, so I may want to put this logo or mascot clear down here, because when I turn on my smoke, I might want it to be between. So like my smoke behind and my smoke in front. And you just turn these on as you need. Smoke in front, you can also, change it, lower it, make it bigger, because it's just smoke. So you can, you can warp it however you want. And I'm going to add more separation here with these outer glows because I think it looks nicer. And then maybe reduce the opacity or move it around depending on how you want it to look. I'm seeing a little line here with my logo. So I'm going to come up to my paintbrush and I'm just going to erase that with black. There. Sometimes you'll run into things like that when you bring a mascot into a photo and you have to double check it, maybe zoom in and look at everything. So now that I see everything looks good, I'm going to come to the top and I'm going to make a new, actually I'm just going to turn this off, and I'm going to press Control Shift Alt E, and that's going to make a flat version of that. And then I'm going to take that flat version, cancel, and I'm going to open, make sure that my final one is open. And I'm going to duplicate it into my final one. Let me close out some of this stuff. Duplicate layer, final one. And now I'm going to resize. And let's put it in the right spot here, right here. So I'm going to drag it down. And I'm going to put it right between those two. And then it automatically clips it in place. If it does not clip it in place, then you need to grab a hold of this, put it right above where it says Team Photo here, and then press Control G to get it to clip into place. And then it will work. If you get stuck with that, let me know. So I'm just going to resize this. Oops. Control Z. Or no. Okay. Resize. And I want to resize my team box. So I'm going to just drag this out till I get it how I want it. press enter and grab all 3 of these, arrow down till I get it right. I'm going to scooch my player over. Her elbow can even be hanging off there. Select all these and move them over. Now I have my team player in place. Another thing I want to show you is how you can change the background of these colors. Like if I want this background to match this background, so you can turn on this hue saturation and you can change the color to match the background or to match whatever you want. And you can do that with the other one too. So let me show you. So on this one, come down here and you turn on the hue saturation and you can just change it to whatever you want. And then you can increase the saturation or decrease and lighten and darken. Okay, so that is how you can customize Stadia Mirage. And if you like the video, please click the like button. If you have any questions at all, please open a ticket on our website, easydigitals.com. That's the best way to get a hold of me. I check tickets every day and I will respond and I will make updates as necessary because I want to help. So please let me know if you need anything. Have a creative day.